Good morning and Sairam all the students. I welcome you all. Children, today in drawing we will draw fantasy landscape. So let's start. To start this painting, first I am using circle shape cutout. It is up to you how big the size of circle you want. Here I have taken the radius of circle 5.5 centimeter. That is according to my drawing sheet. To start this painting, I am taking yellow, green and light green color. First I will use yellow color. Now I will start spreading this color around the whole circle. You can also make this painting in oil pastel, and for that you only have to color around the circle with these colors. Now I am using light green color and I will start spreading this color around the yellow color. And now I have started using green color and I will spread this color around light green. You can also use different shades of green color. And now I will start mixing these colors one by one. First, I am mixing yellow color. While mixing, if yellow and light green colors are blending with each other, then it's okay. Keep in mind that circle shape cutout should not move while mixing. Notice that how I am mixing these colors. While mixing, I am mixing in circular way around the circle. Now here I want a little dark green color, so I am using a little dark green color here and then I will blend it with other colors. After mixing the colors, now we will very carefully remove the circle shape cutout and then remove extra colors by dusting it. I need more green color here, so again I am using green color. Now with clean hands, I will blend this color very carefully. Now we will use black color, but remember that black color should not be used too much, just use it in the corner of the paper. Now mix this color very carefully, and while mixing, form it in arc shape. Now I am using the paper cutout of sitting angel, and then I will use black color. You can also use black watercolor or black marker pen. After using black color, now I will mix color very carefully so that my paper cutout should not move. After making hills with black marker, I am using white color to show few clouds. Now rest of the detailing work I have drawn with black marker, and for stars I have used correction pen. First I took a cardboard box. Now I have cut that cardboard box into two equal parts. Now we will measure this box, and then we will cut the same measurement into a cardboard. You can take help of your elders for cardboard cutting. After cutting the cardboard, now we will fold the cardboard in this way with the help of scale. I will make two more like this cardboard top cover. Now that the top of the cardboard box has been formed, we will start making the fourth side of the cardboard box, and for that we will cut two pieces measuring the opposite side of the cardboard. Now with the help of tape, I will stick these cardboard pieces with the cardboard box. If you do not have such a large cardboard box, you can also use a shoe box. Our cardboard box will look like this after pasting the fourth side of cardboard piece with tape. Now I am using black chart paper from which I have cut thin strips. Now with these paper strips I will hide all the corners of this box. Now by measuring these paper strips in a cardboard box, we will start pasting paper strips with glue to box. You can also use any other paper instead of black chart paper. After applying glue, now paste these paper strips as shown in the video. Similarly, one by one, we will put these paper strips all around. Same like this cardboard box, we will complete our another cardboard box also. Now I will cover this cardboard box completely with black chart paper from inside, and for that I will take measurement from outside of cardboard box. After cutting the chart paper, now with the help of glue we will paste it inside the whole box. Be careful while pasting the paper inside the box. In the same way, we will stick black paper in the remaining space. After covering the box from the inside with black chart paper, we will cover the other box as well. After covering the box from inside, now I will cover the box from outside, and I will cover only 3 sides, and for that I am using pattern paper. Now we will cut the pattern paper by taking the measurement of the cardboard box. Now after applying the glue, we will paste pattern paper very well. In the same way, we will cover rest 2 sides also. Now, except for the front of this cardboard box, we have pasted pattern paper in all the other sides of cardboard box. And similarly, we will also complete the second box. Now that we have covered both cardboard boxes with pattern paper from three sides, now we will also cover its base with same pattern paper. Now I am taking an A4 sheet and I will cut it according to the fourth side of cardboard measurement. Let's keep this cutting aside and we will use them afterwards. Now let's assemble all the parts of the drawers and see how we have to present them. Here I took the cardboard box first and then I put a cardboard top cover over it. Similarly, I did it with other cardboard box and cardboard top cover. Now we will paste all these in the same pattern. Now we will connect these two cardboard top covers with each other. For pasting cardboard top cover, you can use tape or glue. The top covers of your cardboard should be loose enough so that your cardboard box can be easily removed. Now above this box, I will do the same with the other cardboard box and top cover. Now after pasting these two cardboard box together, let me show you how our drawers will work. As you can see, I have covered this shelf with cardboard sheet from the back also, and now I will cover this shelf with black paper. After covering front and base of this cardboard box with pattern paper, I will repeat this process with another box. And similarly, I have also covered cardboard shelf with pattern paper. Now at last I am using an empty bottle cap to make the hooks of the drawers, and I will stick them well on the drawers. This is our cardboard drawer that we have made right now, and inside this drawer you can keep your craft material, drawing material or whatever you want. And for decorating this I have used glitter tape.